People are turning Halloween into a money-making season. And every fall, from August to November, consumer spending surges. According to the National Retail Federation, Americans spent $12.2 billion on Halloween in 2023, which was the highest recorded ever. And the spike in demand isn't just costumes and candy. It's fueling a wave of seasonal side hustles from homemade decor, digital products, t-shirts, costumes, local workshops, and more. And here's why this moment matters. As companies continue to restructure and layoffs increase, people realize that having one paycheck isn't enough. A recent study showed that 71% of workers are looking for a side hustle or to make more money on the side. And nearly 40% of Gen Z already have a side hustle. When you combine record-breaking holiday spending with the need for financial freedom, you get the perfect storm for profitable creativity. And according to the Sticker You CEO, the reason why Halloween is perfect for side hustles is because people are looking for objects that can't be easily mass-produced. People want unique, personalized items, and they're willing to pay a premium for them. So whether you're trying to pay off a credit card, fund a future product, or just trying to be creative, Halloween is the perfect opportunity. So today I'm going to walk you through 7 side hustles for Halloween. I'm going to include examples and I'll give you a little secret at the end. So side hustle number 1 is merch by Amazon. And the reason why I love Halloween and merch by Amazon so much is because it gave me one of my first $1,000 side hustle profits. All I did was upload designs similar to what you see on Amazon now. Some of them were matching shirts, some of them were just Halloween themed, and I managed to bring in thousands of dollars each October. The first thing I would do to get started with merch by Amazon is to go over to Amazon and search Halloween shirts. And you can niche it down by looking for moms, dads, kids, matching Halloween costumes. Think Spooky Squad, Momster and Minnie, or even group Halloween costumes. If you don't want to do merch by Amazon and you don't have time to wait to get approved, you can start right now with TikTok and Printify or Printful. You can start with Etsy or Printify and Printful and just start uploading designs today. And you don't need to be a pro artist. You can literally do text-only designs. And Canva is my favorite tool for speed and beginner friendly. So side hustle number 2 is digital products. Think coloring pages, Halloween art, invitations, potluck signups. Here are some examples that I looked through and found within minutes on Etsy. Again, you can create this all just using Canva. And there are tons of templates that help get you started. People are always looking for last-minute help with their invitations, with their decorations, so digital products are key for seasonal activities. Digital products are great because there's low overhead, instant delivery, no shipping, and no printing. And once your designs are live, you can sell passively for months. Side hustle number 3. Amazon KDP. If you want something more set it and forget it, you can move from digital products to Amazon KDP and create a Halloween coloring book. I have over 100 different self-published books and they continue to make me money every single day. If you already do digital products, you can use the same designs to upload a KDP coloring book. Create a themed cover, some unique coloring pages, upload it to Amazon KDP. Amazon will print and ship it for you. You can even use AI to help you get started in coloring books. And with a decent niche, you can earn money every single year. Also, shameless plug, but if you're ready to start your KDP book today, but you don't want to start from scratch, I created a KDP starter kit that has over 5 covers, 5 interiors, guides, niches, series, and so much more. The link is in the description down below and it's super beginner friendly. Side hustle number 4, affiliate marketing. So if you don't want to create designs or digital products, but you decorate a mean Halloween stoop, this is the side hustle for you. Apply to Amazon Associates and start looking through Amazon to see all of the products that you create your decor with. Better yet, film yourself decorating your stoop, your living room, events, parties, costumes. Upload those videos to Amazon and tag all of the products you use to create that with. 5 must-have Halloween porch decor ideas. Glow-in-the-dark skeleton pics, string lights, wreaths, doormats. Be sure to use your Amazon link. You can post them on Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook groups, Reddit groups. And every sale will net you a commission. You don't have to worry about selling anything. Side hustle number 5, Etsy handmade and custom costumes. If you're creative, lean in because Halloween is your time to shine. Handmade Halloween decor spikes from September into October. Some ideas are wooden signs, hand-painted pumpkins, glittered skulls, Halloween costumes for Labubu, custom pet costumes. You can even offer customization, names, initials, colors, and matching family sets. But because physical products carry more friction like shipping and making, pair them with a digital product to really increase your profitability. And when your Etsy channel gets reviews, you can use this all year long. Side hustle number 6 is in-person or virtual decorating classes. Think cookies and porch decor. You can even host classes at your home, community centers, or a pop-up at a local cafe. All you do is provide the plain cookies, the icing, and the decorations. You can teach simple Halloween techniques. And you can charge between $25 to $50 per seat depending on your area. You can offer your spooky glow-up services. Here in New York City, people love to decorate their stoops, so I'm sure it's no different where you live. If you have a knack for decorating, you can really transform someone's porch. And if you offer decor sessions, this is perfect for an interior designer or an event planner. And side hustle number 7 is porch or stoop decorating services. If you got an eye for style and you love Halloween decor, this is your business. You can offer spooky makeovers for friends, families, or local businesses. Start with a few flat rate packages: mini stoop, full stoop, luxury. Even partner with local bakeries or photographers. People could set up their stoop and then they could have a family photo session. So there are 7 Halloween side hustles to help you make money this month. Which one do you want to try first? Let me know in the comments down below. Pick one side hustle, launch it in October, and thank me in December. And a Halloween special secret, I'm going to offer a free design that you can put on a KDP book, you can put on a t-shirt for print on demand or merch by Amazon. The link's in the description down below. Half of the work is showing up, and this Halloween is your time. Let me know which one you start. Happy hustling and happy Halloween.